Hello, my friends. How are you doing on this beautiful morning? It has been a minute. I have made several videos over the past couple weeks, but I haven't really felt that it was, noteworthy to put anything up, It was just kind of, I realized it was just kind of me just talking about the things that I was looking at personally, and I decided, okay, well, let's just get back in the swing of things, talking about something that I'm not in, but I've been watching. We had a couple gold trades at the beginning of the year. I think in the past 5 months, I've taken 3 gold trades, okay? And I think we were, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it was 2, 1, and 2. Okay, I think we had like 1 break even, 2 wins, and 2 losses. All in all, we're up on gold. But I haven't traded gold in like the past month. And I've noticed that over the past week, we've been playing with the 2,900 area. So now, last time we were talking about gold, it was over here at 27, 28.13, I believe was that swing high up here that we were looking at. I think it was like right over here about 4 weeks ago. It was like 28.13. I remember that number. Where was that? Yeah, right there. There it is. Right over here, this area. Okay. So right there was the last time we were looking at gold. And, I've seen it a lot in the past where, price, it goes up to a whole number. So let's say 2,800, and it goes a little bit above the whole number. So it goes like 2807, 2813, or 2507, 2511. And then it kind of corrects itself and takes a little pause. But gold, it keeps going up, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's a good thing. And I always keep that in mind too. We are on we've been on this huge uptrend on gold for like the past 2 years. It's just been ripping up. Beautiful move on gold. Gold finally making some headway. People have been buying gold for years. They've been buying it for $1,000, $800, $1,200 for years and years. And finally, 2022, 23, 24, 25, they're finally seeing a return on their investment. So now you think about what's going on right now with gold. Midterm. Okay. All I see is this. This is all I'm looking at. To me, gold is just so simple. I'm just looking at the daily. Okay, what does this mean? This means each candles represents a whole day. Okay. So on the daily, we are on this little uptrend here. Okay. So short term, what am I looking for? I'm keeping in mind that, as I was saying in like my past videos when I talked about gold, psychologically speaking, okay, for the past 3 months, all I ever see in the news is 3K gold, 3K gold, 3K gold. It's like a cheer in the stands from the public that are demanding that gold goes to $3,000 an ounce. Okay. And Me, in my crazy contrarian mind, I think, okay, the public wants 3K. The markets, they might give it, they might not. If they do give it, they're going to give it real quick and then take it away from them. Because the markets are cruel like that. Because I know the market personally. The market is my friend, yo. Me and the market, we've been buddies for 4 years now. We're friends. Okay? Excuse me, I'm coming off a little cold here. So me and the market, we are friends. So I know how cruel and vindictive the market really is. Okay? It might, and it could give us that 3K. But right now, you never know. So I know that the market, it might not give us the 3K. So personally, that's why I personally have been saying, okay, gold, you're already at a high. You're at a high end of the range, okay? You're high. It doesn't matter. 26, 27, 28, 29, 3, 31. If you're selling your gold off at these levels, okay, if you bought gold at $1,000 an ounce, $1,200 an ounce, and you're selling at 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, there's nothing wrong with that. You are making a profitable move. Sure, you could say, well, I sold at 25. I bought it at 1,200, but I sold at 25. I should have held it. It's 29 today. I'm the worst investor ever. Quite the opposite, my friend. You are a profitable investor. You are a profitable trader. You are the man or the woman, okay? You the bomb. You have done what tens of thousands of people are unable to do in the marketplace for whatever reason. They're unable to sell when they're up. They're unable to take their money off the table. So many people go to the casino and they have a winning hand and they lose it right back the next hand, okay? You have the chips on your side. You just took a stack of chips from the table. Cash out. Walk away. Come back later. Do something else. You made money on that. Don't worry about it. So, I get that out of the way. So right now, we're on this short-term, clear uptrend on gold. So I just say to myself, okay, gold, it's on a tear on the daily. When it's ripping up like this, day after day, it just keeps pushing up and up and up, okay? It's because there's people shorting the market, okay? People are shorting here, took their money. People are shorting here, took their money. People are shorting here, took their money. People short here, started taking their money, okay? What do you want to see? If you're trying to go short on something, you want to see the market tell you, hey, we're going to go down now, okay? It's not giving me that sign on the daily. It's going to give me that sign when it breaks that trend. It's that simple to me, okay? That's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for that break of the trend. Generally, what I see, what happens a lot is it breaks that trend, and then it comes up, and it might even make a quick move to take that last little bit of money, and then cool off a little bit, okay? So, watching gold, that's what I see. I just see we're on an uptrend. Let it break that, let it tell us that it's going to take a little cool off, okay? And when it breaks that trend, that's when I would be placing orders to go short above. And then let the market stop some impatient people out get us filled, and then we can see about maybe taking a little bit of long liquidity here, 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 okay? That would be our exit off positions, okay? Because on a macro scale, zooming out big time on the monthly, okay, you can see how high we are. So, do you really want to be buying up here? Okay, I don't. Oh, no way. I don't care. The opportunity to gobble up gold was down here, okay? The opportunity to gobble up gold was down here at 1,500, 1,600, 1,700. Not up here. I wouldn't buy gold up here. It's okay. It's okay to have missed a gold swing trade, so to say. Okay? At this point, you just have to wait. Gold is an interesting asset, you know, because it's such a slow mover, you know. I mean, if you think about it, your last opportunity to buy gold was 2022, so that was 2 years ago. So do you think that your opportunity to buy gold is going to be right now, and then it's going to go from 3K to 5K in the next 6 months? It could, but statistically, no. Statistically, gold made its big jump, okay? And now, for a nice opportunity on another swing trade, personally, a good investment on gold would be to buy here, which is, what would be this area down here? About 2,200. So 2,200, if price cools off to 2,200, I would start thinking, okay, we had a little pullback, a nice healthy pullback. Now I'm being a smart investor, and I'll start getting a little bit of gold down here. Okay, let me start dollar cost averaging into gold. Okay, the same thing's happening in another market right now too. I don't follow it as closely, but because in my humble opinion, it's a bit of a garbage market as far as what type of trading happens in that market. But the same thing's happening in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, you had an opportunity a couple years ago to buy, and in the past year and a half, 2 years, it's been ripping up. Okay, so why are you going to be buying at the highs? All you are going to be on gold right now, if you are buying heavily gold right now, you are statistically giving yourself more opportunity to be exit liquidity for people that are going to sell to you. Okay, when you buy, somebody else is selling. That's all you have to tell yourself. Okay, so if you want to be exit liquidity, go ahead, put the house down on gold right now. But if it cools off down to 23, 22, and you're 40% down on your investment on gold a year from now, okay, it'll be just a lesson of saying, okay, oh, I was exit liquidity on gold. Okay, I don't know why I bought at 2,900 an ounce, thinking that it's going to go to 5,000 an ounce as soon as I buy. You're sky high right now. And congratulations to anybody who's made money on gold in the past 2 years. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's been a beautiful thing. But just keep that in mind, that every market, it's gonna move in cycles and waves. And you're on a wave up right now. So if you are a surfer in the market and the wave's coming up, okay, you're looking to get on the wave to ride the wave down, okay? You're not paddling up, okay? Your time to paddle up was 2 years ago. Right now, you're looking to stand up on your board and ride the wave down. And that's just how I view the market. It doesn't matter to me if gold goes to 3K, 31K, 33K, 34K, okay? Nothing is going to impress me, okay, unless if gold was to rip up from here and go to like 4,500 an ounce, I'll be proven wrong and impressed by the magnitude of that move. Do you know how big the market cap on gold is? It's something ridiculous, okay? I'm just guessing. I can't think of the exact number. I would say gold is like, I don't know. Let's just say it's a 4 trillion market cap. That's just my guess, okay? You imagine that there's $4 trillion worth invested into the gold market right now, and you think that magically in the next 2 months it's going to go to 6 trillion? Because that's what it would take for your gold to go up to 4,600 an ounce. It would take a 50% increase in the size of the amount of money flowing into gold. Okay? So it would have to add another 2 trillion to the 4 trillion to get a 50% increase. It's kind of that simple to me. So I'm not seeing it, you know. And it's the same thing in the cryptocurrency market, okay? You have, I would say, I'm just guessing, say it's like a $3 trillion overall in that market, or 2.5 trillion, whatever it is. Okay, you would need another 1.5, 2 trillion put into that market for it to go up 50%. Okay, is there really that much push for people to be buying that to get another 50% amount of money dumped into that? Okay, just not seeing the excitement there. Even with gold has been a little bit quiet in the news lately. You know, a lot of the 3K gold stories I saw was like a month ago, you know, and now, you know, it hasn't been as prevalent in the news, but yet we're still trending up. So that's a kind of another interesting conundrum, you know, with that analysis, is how that goes. But gold, I just be watching it on the daily right now. That's all I'm doing. I just say, okay, we're pushing up. I don't want to short an uptrend. I want to wait and see it start a little bit of a new downtrend. Then I start thinking, okay, the market has showed its hand. It's changed direction. Let me start placing some orders, some punishing orders, to start riding a little bit of a wave down. So, nice move on gold the past few weeks. Very interesting. I hope everybody enjoys this little video I'm talking about on gold. I was talking about Alcoa the other day. I didn't post it. It's been doing very well, and it'll be interesting to get back into some stocks that I've been looking at. And we love everybody, and I will talk to everybody on the next video. Peace.